Hey friends, I'm Michael from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's do a quick version and learn how to play Riptide by Vance Joy, another easy beginner's guitar lesson. So we'll look at the structure of the song and the chords and the strumming pattern. This time we'll be using the capo on the first fret, and the chords are A minor, G, C and F. Now with this song there's going to be 3 different strumming patterns, and there's a little fill after the second chorus. Now I've also done an in-depth version for you of the song. So if you're new to chords and strumming patterns, jump onto that video. I'll put a link in the description for you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Heaps of songs and lessons to come. Now if you have any problems with this song, or there's a song you'd like to learn, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So let's start with the structure of the song. So we have A minor and G for half a bar and C for a full bar. We do that 2 times for the intro and then 5 times for the verse, and then we do A minor, G for half a bar, C for a full bar, but we just strum once. The chorus is exactly the same, A minor, G and C, but we're using a different strumming pattern. Then we go back to the verse, back to the chorus, and they're exactly the same. Then we have a little fill in there, and after that we go to the bridge, and this time the chord progression is A minor, G, C and F. Another different strumming pattern for that, and this time they're all a bar each. Then we go back to the verse, but we're just doing a single strum on the A minor, the G and the C. We do that 2 times. Then back to the verse again, normal strumming pattern, and finish with the chorus till the end. So our strumming pattern for the verse is going to be down, down, we put a ghost strum in there, and then up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Putting that ghost strum in there will keep you in time and makes it easy to flow into the upstroke there. And that pattern's half a bar, so down, down, up, down, up. Then to our G, again a half bar, so the same strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. Then to the C, and we do it twice with the same strumming pattern. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's your intro. We do that 2 times, and the verse is exactly the same. So let's try that up to speed. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, C. And again. Now if you want to give that a little bit more dynamics, on the first down strum, just hit your root note and the string underneath. So on the A, I'd be hitting the A string and the D string. Then doing my down strum, my ghost strum, and up, down, up. So up, down, up. Same on the G, except this time our root note's on the top string. And then C. And that gives it a little bit more dynamic, so let's try that up to speed. So as we said, that's the intro. We do that 2 times. It's also the verse with the same strumming pattern. We do that 5 times. On the last one, we just stop on the C and just do 1 down strum and count to 4. So same strumming pattern, A minor, G, and then just finish on your C and hold for 4. Now we go to the chorus. Chord progression stays exactly the same. A minor and G for half a bar, and then C for a full bar. But now the strumming pattern's changed. We're going to use a down, up, down, up, down, up. So you can put your ghost strum in there after the first down. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And that again is half a bar. So we do that once on A minor, once on G, and twice on C. So down, up, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, down, up, and C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do that up to speed, and G, and C, and again, A minor, G, and C. And that's your chorus. Whenever you're playing your chorus, you use that strumming pattern. You do that 4 times. Then we just go back to the verse, which is the same, and the chorus, which is the same again. Now we have a little fill in there, and let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. And that's our fill. Now because we've got our capo on the first fret, we're going to call our 2nd fret number 1, our 3rd fret number 2, our 4th fret number 3, and our 5th fret number 4. So we're starting on the 3rd fret on the B string, and we're going to do a hammer on to the 5th fret on the B string. So pick once, hammer on. Then we're going to play the G string on the 5th fret also, so you can use your 2nd finger there, and when you do that, leave your 3rd finger after you've done the hammer on, leave that down as well. It'll give you a chord sound like we're arpeggio picking there. So then we play the 3rd fret on the E string, and again leave that finger down, and then back to the G string, back to the B string. So hammer on, G string, E string, G string, B string. And we do that 4 times there. Remember, leave your fingers down once you've played the note. So we lift our 1st finger off because we need that to come down to the bottom E string. Leave all your other fingers down. And up to speed. Then after that we go to our bridge. So now it's A minor, G, C and F, and they're all a bar, but the strumming pattern's changed again. So now it's going to be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And that's 1 bar. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Then we go to the G, do the same thing, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. C, same, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And then our F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Then it does it again, A minor, G, C, and this time on the last F, just play it once and hold for a 4 count. So let's put that together now, up to speed with our new strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So A minor, G, C, and F. And that's our bridge there. Then we go back to A minor, G, C, but this time we're only strumming once on each chord. So we have A minor, half a bar, 1, 2, G for half a bar, 3, 4, and C for a full bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we do that twice. So A minor, G, and C, and again, A minor, G, and C. Then we just go back to the verse 4 times with the verse strumming pattern. So down, down, up, G, down, down, and C. And we'll do that again, G, and C. You do that 4 times, and then it finishes with the chorus. We just play that through to the end. So again, same chord progression, A minor, G, C, now with our different strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, G, and 2 times on the C, G, and C. And you just do that to the end of the song. So as always, go slowly and build your speed. If you're having any problems or there's a song you'd like to learn, leave a comment. Give us a like and subscribe for heaps of free songs and lessons. Now, if you would like step-by-step guitar lessons for beginners to advanced players and learn all the secrets to playing all your favourite songs and solos in no time, also heaps of free lessons, click the link below and jump onto Essential Guitar Lessons. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon.